big bag. Would anyone like to buy some chocolate?
Let's see the chocolate. Yum. Waffle crisp.
That's the only kind I have.
It's terrible. I want caramel. Staring at myself in the mirror right now. Now I'm staring at you guys. Now I'm staring at the mirror.
I'm confused.
She's taking her contacts. It's a very important process.
Oh.
Contact 1 out. Uh-oh, did you drop it?
No, here it is. No.
My hiccups
We're
are so
done with the
annoying.
hiccups.
No, we're not. Wait, can we get that one more time? I don't think I got it.
I can see the spit. I
Wow.
can only see one eye right now.
How many fingers am I holding up?
A half a one. When I put it, I'm going to put it on ya. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I can't see it all.
No more hiccups.